Alright. This is more or less what I can do for proper cable management. Comes with this control board. Powers, I believe, 6 fans. If you go to put it on and it doesn't want to work through this button, make sure that your little LED one is plugged into there. I had that plugged into the motherboard by accident. Make sure it's plugged into that board. This case comes with USB Type-C, so make sure you guys have the connection for that. The glass is pretty nice. Still haven't taken it off of there just because trying to save it. The glass does seem pretty sturdy, magnetic. It's pretty decent. It comes off very easily through that hinge, so be careful about lifting that. I've almost broken it twice and it's been 2 days. As far as the internals, there is plenty of space in there. That's just random motherboard thrown on there. Nothing really special. These guys, and this guy is what you get. If you don't have the input, I think it's USB type 2 point something or whatever. For that USB-C up here, you're gonna have to get the adapter. I can't believe this motherboard doesn't have it, but hey. And that's where we're at. RGB fan. Still haven't been able to connect it through the software that it gives you, but we're getting places. I can at least get the button to work now. I finally figured out that it wasn't supposed to plug it into there. Instructions they give you, it looks like a lot. Half of it is in different language, so you really want to get maybe 4 panels. These guys are nice. And that's where we're at. It's not a bad case at all. Decent airflow. Waiting for the new card and new cooler to come in. Good stuff.